Good morning, everybody. There is a big dog behind me again. Ugh, as usual, here he is. Look at him. Just look at him. What's he doing? He just wants to look at his mum. Welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. It is the 10th of November today and it is tipping it down with rain. Last night we were at the Alton Towers fireworks, which I'm going to share with you in this video. And we had a fantastic night. We had a few spots of rain during the main fireworks spectacular, which it didn't ruin it or anything, but it just made it difficult to look up to the sky because you were getting pelted with rain. So that was a bit of an issue. You didn't come, did you? You stayed home here with Nanny and Grandad. They came round and looked after you, didn't they, all day long, and you had a lovely time. But yeah, it was a lovely day out. Very chilly, so we definitely wrapped up warm, and it's cold today as well. It's only, I think, what is the temperature today? It says it's 12 degrees, but it feels a lot colder than that. So I'm hoping that it's going to warm up a little bit in the house, because I've got my big woolly jumper on and I've got a Christmas jumper underneath as well, because it is now November, so it's fair game for Christmas jumpers. Anyway, work wise today I'm just going to put Max back behind me because I need my hands to show you some stuff. Sit down there, good boy. Right, so I have got some banners that I've been making. So this one, Merry Christmas 2025, can also be just Christmas 2025 if we want it to. And then this one here is Oh What Fun. So I can't take pictures of them today because it is too rainy, so I'm going to put them on my desk, get them ready and strung up and all the rest of it, so that when we get a dry day I can do that. I am working my way through some orders at the moment. We have 10 orders to make today, so it's been really quiet on Etsy the last couple of weeks. Actually, the whole of October was just not good at all, and I did start to wonder what was going on because it just seemed to die. And I did go online and have a look on some of the online forums, and a lot of people were saying the same thing, so I'm glad that it wasn't just me. I'm thinking partially it could be because people are not spending money. They don't want to spend on things that they don't really need to if they can get away with it. So all of the sort of disposable income that people had previously, that seems to have disappeared and gone by the wayside a little bit. But I am hoping that we are on the up and up now, coming into the festive season. I don't really get that many festive sales with my stuff because it's mostly birthdays and things like that, which is why I've decided to do some banners for Christmas and that sort of thing. But I'm hoping that things will carry on the way they are. But I have got a holiday booked just after Christmas. I'm going away from New Year's Day, so that will be really lovely. I cannot wait for that. So yes, I'll be closing the shop for a week after Christmas just for a break, so that will be lovely. But yeah, apart from that, get on with the orders, get some stuff done, and let's see what this week brings. everybody, welcome back to the next day. It is now Tuesday. I've just been on a little shopping trip to the range, and I also wanted to pop into a couple of the bed stores that they've got here, because they've got Benson's for beds. What else is that? And there's Dunelm and there's Dreams, but I don't really know what sort of bed my son is looking for. So I've been to have a look and to see what would fit into his room, which isn't going to be very much because his room is full of stuff. So I think he might have to have a little bit of a rejig and all that sort of stuff. So this morning, before I left the house, I did a couple of my Etsy orders. I've got one here that needs posting, and then I watched the Armistice Day coverage on the news on the TV, because it's so important to never forget what happened and all those lives that were lost in World War One and of course World War Two. But yeah, it's really, really important that we keep that tradition alive and make sure that the future generations understand why we are as free as we are in our lives, and what happened and all that sort of stuff. So we watched that, and then I decided to pop out. We took the dogs out for a little walk because Dot was being an absolute menace, but she's happier now she's had a walk. So we've done that. I'm going to drive home now, and I think I've had another couple of orders come through. I bought some stuff in the range, so I'll share what I bought with you and show you what I got. And yeah, I think that will be it for today, really. I've got to go shopping for food later, which is a bit rubbish. I have got a Morrison's home delivery pass thing, but I forgot to place my order to secure my delivery slot for this week, and I normally have it come on a Tuesday morning, but because I forgot, there wasn't any available until Wednesday, and I didn't really want to wait till Wednesday. So I am gonna probably nip up there later, grab Shelby from uni, and then I'm cooking gammon for tea, so that'll be a nice change. We're going to have a roast gammon dinner on a Tuesday night in November. So I'm going to drive home now, and I'll see you when I get there. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day. It's Thursday the 13th of November today. As usual, I'm making some Etsy orders. Max, move over. Max is behind me again, as usual. This is like his favourite spot all of a sudden. He just loves to sit here. It also helps that this is a heated throw. It's not even on, but he just loves sitting here with it. So obviously, as the weather goes colder, we probably will be utilising the heated throw a little bit more, but you know, at the moment, touch wood, we don't really need it. Today is the first day this week that we haven't had any rain. It's a beautiful sunny morning, so I'm going to get my orders done and then take them to the post office straight away, so I can have a nice walk in the nice sunshine rather than having to carry my giant umbrella with me. I'm going to show you just quickly before I cut this, because this will be noisy. Let me just put this mat in. Can't reach to press my button, so I have to use my pick-me-up tool for that at the moment. I'm going to show you what I bought at the range. I didn't buy very much, but I did enjoy my trip out to the range on Tuesday. So I bought this bag, and what I thought I'd do with this is get probably some of that brick vinyl and do a Merry Christmas or something on it, because I really liked this bag. It's a really heavy duty tote bag, really nice canvas feel to it, and these sturdy sort of woven handles on it, so they were good. Now I got a few things. Let me show you what I got. So let's get these out. I only spent about £20, but I felt like I got quite a bit for it. So, oh, these were from Poundland. So these are just some cork coasters, and these were 25p. They were reduced. They were supposed to be 75p, but what a bargain. And the reason I've got those is because I'm going to do a project with some decoupage and some napkins, and I'm going to see what works better. I've got some slate coasters and I've got these, so I'm going to try both and see, but you'll see that video in a couple of weeks probably. I'll probably film it next week. Sunday is our Christmas tree putting up day, so I won't be doing anything Sunday, but I bought this. I don't know why. It's a paint by numbers. I know why. It's a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Of course, that's the reason that I bought it. I don't do paint by numbers normally, and I don't know anybody that does, but I'm going to do it myself, so I'm going to sit and do that one of the days. I'm going to enjoy myself doing that. And then I bought this for Shelby. This is a diamond painting bag with a Highland cow on it. So it's a bag, like a tote bag, again another quite sturdy canvas one, and then it's got the diamond painting on the back, of it, so you can, I don't know how they'll stand up to being used and stuff, but she loves diamond painting, so it'd be a nice stocking filler. It was only £3.99, so can't go too wrong. And then these two things are also for that project with the coasters. So I got some pearlescent acrylic paint, and then I got some glitter varnish as well, and these were both £1 for each bottle. So I thought they were pretty good. I'm going to put everything back in this bag for now though, because it's just keeping everything a little bit more tidy in here. Today then on the agenda, I've got quite a big project, which I don't know whether to start it today or whether to leave it until next week. I bought some PPF for my new car. I'm going to try and PPF all down the side of my car, on the sills. It's an Alpine A290, and I don't know if, I'm probably talking absolute gibberish because a lot of you aren't going to know what that is. I'll put a picture in now. All down the side it's got black high gloss sills, and they are going to be an absolute stone chip magnet, and I want to protect it. So I bought some 240 micron PPF from MDP Supplies. I'll put a link down below for you if you're interested, you never know. And I'm going to try and PPF it myself. It has arrived, it's very thick. It's not like vinyl. I think I can vinyl wrap, but am I going to be able to PPF? So I'm going to need to make templates and all that sort of jazz, but I'm going to bring you along for the ride, and I might even do a video on it just for a laugh. But yeah, that is a big project for next week, I think. But it's going to be so cold next week, so do I want to be working outside next week? Haven't really got much choice. Right, I'm going to crack on with work today, and then we'll go for a walk later on and see what's going on around in the village.